this lever. Tahani will enter the scenario that Megan has designed and will test her ethical decision-making. Obviously, in the real test, the humans won't know they're being tested. But this should be a good practice run. Everyone ready?
Order.
Why, yes. Thank you.
Okay, so, couple of things. We're not using chainsaw bears anymore. Remember?
Right. Okay, yeah. What else?
It was mainly that one thing. Why don't you try again? And remember that the challenges your test subject faces should be smaller and more relatable. Okay.
Order. It's salmon crudité.
Is it farm-raised salmon? Because I prefer to support sustainable fishing.
Mondays, am I right?